So what is Ceremony Studio and why is it unique?
Ceremony Studio is a functional circuit training for 45 minutes, and it's a really great workout for the full body. It will include your strength work, your cardio, functionality. The uniqueness of this class, I think that we have a really great structure. We have fast-paced workout, and it's a really community-driven class itself.
Who is this class designed for?
The lovely thing about this class is it's for everybody. It can go from beginner to advanced. We adjust the scale of the difficulty based on individuals so that everybody can have a tailored program to them.
What could we expect in a typical 45-minute session?
In a 45-minute session, we have 8 stations in the room. We have stations that target cardio. We have stations that target strength. You'll be working a specific time, and there will be specific time that you'll be resting as well.